Okay, I'm over here in this field. I got a permission from the farmer. I could metal detect this whole field. They're not going to plant it this year. They just turned it up, he told me. So I guess they're waiting a year. But I wanted to show you that little outbuilding in the woods there. Really cool. And then there's the other barn that's overgrown in there. Beautiful day out today. And I got a good signal. A couple choppy signals. I was digging over here. Let me show you. There's the plug right there. And there's the hole. It was hitting high 90s. And the funny thing is that it went away when I dug it up. So it must have been steel. But then I started digging over here in that plug. And look what came out. I don't think it's old, but it is a horse stirrup. Here's the strap. It's a leather strap. And then this is, let me see, let me zoom out a little. There you go. Right there, look at that. Like I said, I don't think it's that old, but that is definitely cool. See if there's some markings on it. But like I said, I don't think it's that old, but that is definitely super cool. And this is a new permission, so I'm excited. So let's keep digging, see what we find. Okay, I rechecked my hole, and if you look right there, you see that shiny piece right there? Here, let me get it out of my pouch. This stirrup, like again, like I said, I don't think it's that old, but it's definitely cool to find. Right next to it, I found this, and you know what? Oh, look at that. This is part of the belt that held the stirrup, because, let me show you, when I was digging it up, here's the strap. This is the other piece of the strap. So now I know where that buckle is from. That's cool. That's awesome. All right. I thought I found another stirrup, but this is the other side of it. So let's keep looking. Okay, got another good signal. Pretty much right next to the plug. Hitting 85, 80. I want to dig this up live, but I want to show you this is all overgrown. So the farmer gave me permission, so I will be coming back in the fall when this is all dead and I could really swing. So just wanted to give you a little look around. There's the field behind me. So anyway, let's get going. I'm going to dig this live. If I'm not mistaken, the signal was there. And this might be the other horseshoe, or I mean stirrup. Let's see. All right. It's a little deeper and it's a little over more, so let's go right here. I don't have that much time to detect today. I got done with work early, so it's right there. Sorry. Let me try one more time and then I'll turn the camera off if I don't get it. Right here. hear it. I think. Anyway. Alright, I'll turn the camera off, turn it back on. Okay, false alarm. It's this right here. I thought it was related to the horse stirrup, but it's not. Gave off a super good signal. But anyway, looks like a heart. Let's keep going. Alright, this is the other side of that outhouse cabin. That was where I found the stirrup. Everything is overgrown, as you can see. But I'm going to try to come back in the fall. This part, I don't know what this is. There's an old rock wall back there, like a foundation. Here's the silo. Show you the silo. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to try to come back, find something good in the, like I said, in the fall. Here's the old stone wall. I don't know if you can see it that well, the light. You know what, let's go inside. Let me park my truck and see what we can find. Hold on. Okay, I'm inside the old farm. Looks like some tools there. There's the old stone wall I was telling you about. You can't see it from inside my truck. Let's see, what does that sign say? Coors Light. There you go. Any old keys or anything in here hanging? Nothing of interest. Nope. Let me show you down here. Bunch of garbage. What's in here? Turtle wax. Alright. Walk around a little bit, show you what it looks like an old feeder, chicken feeder. Alright, garbage can full of forks. That's kind of weird. But anyway, alright. Let's keep going. See what else I could find. Alright, this is the other side of that barn. This is a really cool permission. There's a lot of barns here and there. I'm going to do some research and find out what exactly this area is. Here's the main house. We're coming up on it. I'll show you in a second. Okay, there's the main house. As you can see, everything is overgrown. Nobody lives here anymore. But that is really cool. It is right there. Let's, you guys want to walk inside? Let's take a peek inside. Hold on. Alright, this is the entrance to the house. Stairwell. Oh yeah, no one's lived here in a while. Just take a little walk around. Oh, that's cool. Television's still here. Oh, the old fireplace. It's awesome. Alright. That's pretty cool. Kitchen's over here. Let's see. Anything in the kitchen? That's pretty bad. Pretty beat up. I don't know if I should walk on that. The floor doesn't look that good. So there's the basement stairs over there. Alright, let's walk around. I don't want to walk on that part of the house in case I fall down. But yeah, like I said, the farmer gave me permission Here's the upstairs. I'm not going to go up today. I don't want to get in trouble. And there's the downstairs. That's pretty cool. Goes outside to the back, as you can see the light that's down there. Let me show you. That's pretty cool. So, all right. Let's keep going. Okay, we are here at the wrap up. I just wanted to show you my finds. I didn't find that many things, but what I did find was this right here. And I definitely am going back in the fall because he gave me permission to go back and go and do whatever I like, which is really cool. So anyway, I just wanted to show you some of my iron finds. This is pretty cool. I don't know what that is. It almost looks like a heart-shaped thing. But anyway, this was really cool. It's an old square nail. Big one, almost as big as my hand. There's a loop. This is part of the leather strap to that. Piece of an arrow here. Piece of copper. There was a lot of scrap copper there for some reason. I don't know if it blew off the old roof or not. This I don't know what it is. This I don't know what that is either. A lot of iron. But I did find this right here. It's not that old, but it is super cool to find. It is a horse stirrup. It's not that old because it is has a label marking there, but it rubbed off. And this is rubber, so I don't know the age of it, but it is pretty cool. Stainless steel, if I'm not mistaken. Again, there's no markings. And I also found the belt, a little belt thing that went with it. So, and this is the strap, the leather strap. And these are the other pieces that it must have fallen off as one piece, but that is super cool. Please like and subscribe.